Fam, what's poppin'? So unfortunately I forgot to record a intro video because I had to go to work, so we're just gonna jump into it. So this is the palette SuperNova by BH Cosmetics. It's our newest edition, and we're gonna start off with that gold. That gold is called Leo, and it's such a beautiful color. After we've applied our first transitional base, we're going to go in with that second color. Now this is called Virgo, and it's a little bit more of a dirty gold. And this, when we apply this color, we're just going to go just beneath where we applied Leo previously. We only need a light layer of Virgo because we're actually going to go in with a deep black, and this color is called Luna. And for this one, this will be like, I guess, towards the middle of the lid, because this look will be a cut crease. So this is where we want that that super sharp contrast to be. Now after I've laid down all of my pigment, I'm actually going to switch to a blending brush. I'm not going to add any more product, but I'm just going to go ahead and blend everything out. So now that we have all of our transitional colors down, we're going to go in with our cut crease colors. Now this color is a deep purple, and it is called Nebula. Now we're adding just a little bit on top of the black because this is supposed to be a purple look, not a super dark black look. So we need to add some more of that purple to bring out that part of the cut crease. Now we're going in with the white concealer, Pro Conceal by LA Girl. We're just going to add some so we can cut our crease. Now we always add a white foundation because this is what's going to make our colors really pop and shine through. As mentioned in other videos, this concealer is very wet, so we go over that with a banana setting powder, and this will help dry it up just a little bit. So now we're gonna go in with a white shimmer. This color is called Pegasus, and we're gonna apply this to the inside corners of our eye. And we're not going to use a brush, we're just going to use our fingers. That way we can get a little bit more control on how we blend it out. Since we've added some of that black and some of that silver, or the white from Pegasus, we actually need to go in back with that color Nebula. That way we can get that purple to stand out some more. So far, this look is not coming out how I wanted it to be. I wanted it to be a little bit more brighter, but whatever. We're just going to move on. We're going to go ahead with our eyeliner wings. This is the LA Girl Liquid Black Precision Eyeliner, and we're going to do this for the beginning of the wing and the extension. To bring a little bit more purple into this look, we're actually going to go in with the AOA Starlet eyeliner, and this color is Hollywood. It is a nice metallic purple. Very nice. Prepping for our eyelashes today, we are using the Mascara Intenseif-Eye. This is one of my favorite mascaras. I like it because the bristles are super small and super fine, so it makes my natural lashes like really nice. for the lashes that I'll be using in this video, these are the Da Vinci number 47s, and these are super bomb. I love these lashes, like I really do. How my eyeshadow build looks so far. It's pretty nice. I like it. So we're just going to go ahead and move on to our face process. This is the LA Girl Liquid Foundation. The color is Warm Caramel. And we're just going to add a light layer mainly towards the bottom of the face because that's where I really need it. And then we're going to go ahead with our second step. Our second step being that we are going to go with a powder foundation. This is also Warm Caramel. This is the second half of the Dynamic Duo. Because that purple just wasn't popping the way I wanted it to, I went ahead with our Zulu palette and I just put some purple on top of that because it just wasn't popping the way I needed it to. This is supposed to be Purple Storm, not Silver Storm, you know? So I just needed to add a little bit more purple on top of that silver eyeshadow that I had. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of that same purple from the Zulu palette, and we're just gonna put it underneath our lash line to complete the look. For our lips today, we're actually going to be using the matte lipstick by Coney Dash. This color is called Psychedelic, and it is a gorgeous, creamy purple that lasts all day. Like, I really love this lipstick. It's super nice, and it smells great too. With some final touches, this look is actually complete, so let me know what you ladies think about this look in the comments below. Do you like it? Would you wear it? Yes you would. So go ahead, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you ladies in the next one.